The two-day-long national executive meet of the Janata Dal United Party begins today amid strong reservations over Narendra Modi's much-speculated projection as BJP's prime ministerial candidate. Now, there has been unease in the JDU over Modi, and the party is likely to pass a political resolution that will make it amply clear that it will not accept any communal figure as NDA's prime ministerial candidate. A sizable section in the JDU believes that parting of ways with BJP will be unavoidable if Modi is projected as prime ministerial candidate in Lok Sabha polls. JDU's political resolution will thus block Modi without naming him.
अब हम अपना जो बड़ा दल है, हमारे मुख्यमंत्री भी कह चुके हैं और पार्टी का अध्यक्ष भी, कि गठबंधन का जो नेता हो बड़े दिल से होना चाहिए, लेकिन कैसा होना चाहिए ये सब लोग मिलजुल करके तय करें, जैसे हम लोगों ने वाजपेयी जी के मामले में और अडवाणी जी के मामले में तय किया।
Narendra Modi is unlikely to meet the conditions set by the JDU for prime ministerial candidate on account of his alleged role in the 2002 Gujarat riots. Though Modi's image may pass muster on criteria of uprightness and honesty, his unilateral and dictatorial style of functioning is likely to be one of the JDU's worries. Allies for over 20 years, JDU and the BJP could finally be headed for a split. Sources have told Headlines today that both parties are preparing for that scenario given the standoff over Narendra Modi. Breakpoint in the relationship could come sooner rather than later. The JDU, according to sources close to Headlines today, have made up their mind to dump the BJP using Modi as an excuse, and the BJP is more or less ready for a future without Nitish Kumar.
मामला मिल बैठ के सुलझाया जाए, इसलिए अच्छे सुझाव हम लोग दे रहे हैं। इस तरह की कोई शर्त बीजेपी के सामने ना रखी जा रही है, ना हम रखने वाले हैं। बीजेपी एक स्वतंत्र पार्टी, 17 साल से हम साथ काम कर रहे हैं, तो ऐसी एम्ब्रेसिंग सिचुएशन में ना बीजेपी के लिए लाना चाहते, ना ऑकवर्ड पोजीशन नहीं लाना चाहते।
ये तो मानसिक विकृति का एक है कि किसी को कह देना कि कम्युनल है। बीजेपी क्या करेगी नहीं करेगी वो वहाँ जो बड़े लोग हैं वो लोग डिसाइड करें। हम लोग तो छोटे पैमाने पर राजनीति करते हैं, एक प्रांत में करते हैं, उससे भी कम। तो बीजेपी को बहुत कोई डरने की बात तो नहीं है। वो अलग पार्टी है, उसका डिसीजन अपना होगा। हम लोग अलग पार्टी है, हम लोग को बैठ के डिसीजन लेना चाहिए अपना।
Now, JDU sources say that the party is playing a wait-and-watch game and will pull the plug as soon as Narendra Modi's name is formally announced by the BJP as prime ministerial candidate.
JDU is likely to ask the BJP to announce the name of its prime ministerial candidates in an extremely short frame of time. The game plan being that were the BJP to commit itself to Mr. Modi, it would give the JDU an ample opportunity to cut its links with the BJP and be in pole position to take advantage of the political benefits that would accrue. The JDU's political managers are confident that were the BJP to withdraw support from the Bihar government, its government would continue unhindered.
While Nitish feels his party can become a major force post Lok Sabha polls if by dumping the BJP it can improve its Lok Sabha tally, even the BJP camp in Bihar does not seem too worried. They seem to be readying for that eventuality for some time now.
BJP is preparing themselves for a life without Nitish Kumar. BJP has already started to focus on upper caste votes in Bihar, as they believe they voted for NDA only because of BJP. BJP will also try and focus on double standards of Nitish Kumar, as he remained to be cabinet minister despite Godhra. BJP does not want to repeat a situation of Orissa where they were caught off guard, and that is why they have a list prepared to contest from each and every seats in Bihar. So in days to come, we can expect more war of words between JDU and BJP leaders. With camera Sanjeev Kumar, Atish Rasam in Delhi for Headlines Today.
Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi is facing revolt at home. His brother Prahlad Modi has now opened a front against him, saying that his development claims are false and the figures cooked up to artificially boost Gujarat's development stock. In a damaging outburst in the middle of election season, Prahlad Modi claims that a large-scale fraud is being carried out in the government's fair price shops at the cost of the poor. Prahlad Modi, the president of the Gujarat Fair Price and Kerosene Shops Association, and his claims carry a lot of weight. He has accused the government of fudging the barcoding process that it used to distribute rations. He also alleges that the state-sponsored fudging is underway to spruce up Gujarat's development record, and it is depriving more than 10 lakh poor people every month of their rightful quota of ration.
ये तो सचिव श्री की एक साजिश है गुजरात के कार्ड होल्डरों को भूखा रखने के लिए, और इसीलिए ये कार्ड होल्डर जितने कम हो जाए और भारत सरकार में सब्सिडी बचाई ऐसा एहसास हो जाए और वाह हो जाए उनकी, एक अच्छी साजिश चला रहे हैं।
Modi's brother has threatened to start an agitation if corrective steps are not taken immediately and the culprits punished.
यदि सरकार इसमें सही ढंग से आगे नहीं बढ़ेगी तो हम अहिंसक आंदोलन शुरू करेंगे, जरूरत पड़ने पर दुकानें बंद रखेंगे और जरूरत पड़ेगी तो हम इस्तीफा देने के लिए भी सोच रहे हैं।